Well, hello everybody. This is Lauren here with the Pavement Ends channel, and I have a little update coming your way. It's been a while since I've done some camping and taken some good video, so I thought maybe I should update you guys with just a little information. Yeah, so truth be told, at this point I'm not quite out camping yet. I'm just doing a little bit of exploring here close to home. And I didn't want to leave Saturday's video slot blank. I like to try to get videos out on Saturdays early in the morning. Sometimes I succeed with that and sometimes I don't. So today, just doing, like I said, just doing a little local exploring, having a couple of quick looks at things that are close by. One of the things that has made me anxious to get back out on the road is, number one, I'm out of video for you guys, so I need to go out and shoot some more. But also, my sister has given me a big bag of granola. And the best place to eat granola is out camping. So I'm going to make sure that I get into that real soon, which means I have to go camping real soon. So there's a whole bunch of reasons to do this. Of course, granola isn't the only reason to go camping. There are other things like, well, bacon, for instance. Plus, I'm in the mood to just get out and enjoy a campfire and see what's to see around the next corner. You just can't beat getting out there and getting some of that fresh air and mixing a little campfire smoke in with it. So my next few adventures will probably be something a little more local, and just for a day or two. I did go out just before Christmas intending to do a Christmas video, and man, I got so sick I had to tuck my tail and come home the next day. So I've also, like, reason number 25 to go camping is I've got a new toy. I got this wok fairly inexpensively, and I want to use this for cooking directly over the fire. I love getting a nice blazing hot pan going. You can really do some nice sort of a Mongolian style cooking going in that. So I'm anxious to try that out. If it's anything to do with food, I don't know, for some reason that seems to help out with the camping nonsense. And in case anybody's interested, here's just a couple of quick shots of the inside of a little storage shed I've got here for, I keep a few camping supplies in here and some other stuff that I use to build the old campmobile out. Well, these technically aren't camping supplies. I don't use these for camping. This is a subject for another holiday, another time, another video. Well, thank you everybody for watching the old Pavement Ends channel here. Thanks for keeping up with me, putting up with my nonsense. Hopefully we'll have some fresh camping stuff up here soon on here for you to watch. Until then, we'll see you out here on the back roads.